Hello, welcome to the craft class. Today we are going to make this crown. So we are going to make this crown with one A4 paper. Yes, it's one A4 paper. So first fold this paper and then cut into two halves like this. So now we are folding it in half and then we fold it back. So now we are going to divide this into four sections. So fold carefully as shown in the video. So now mark 3 centimeters from the bottom and then draw a line. So this is the base of the crown. So now carefully draw the shape as shown in the video. So while drawing, just draw with the pencil, and once you are okay with it, then you can go ahead and then cut it. Once you finish cutting, you also need to make the same with the other half of the paper. So for this you need to have the same shape. So you just place this and then draw like this. So then you cut it. So now our base of the crown is ready. So you simply need a glue now. So take a glue and then join both the papers like this. So once you attach it, so your base of the crown is ready. Now you cut out few color papers which are like square or any shape you like. So then attach it to the crown. If you have the cracked punch or anything, you can also use them. So this is the middle part. So I have used the different color. So here I have used this cracked punch which is star shape, and then because it comes in the center part. So for the bottom you need to attach few paper strips like this. So I have taken the small paper strips, so that would be it is very easy to attach. So here you can use glue to attach, or you can also use the paper clip. So if you use the paper clip, you can also adjust the size according to your head. So now we are going to make this swagger stick. Take a tissue roll or a cardboard one like this, which I am using here. So wrap it with the color paper, and it's very simple and very easy. So the bottom one also I just covered, and take a small piece of paper. You have to fold and cut as you did for the crown. So this is a mini crown. So cut it very carefully, and then we're going to we're going to decorate this with this circular punches. So now attach all these using the glue. So in this craft you don't need any special things. You can do it with whatever you have. So my main idea of putting these craft classes is that anybody can and everybody can make this with what they have. Now you attach this with the glue, and that's it. It's ready. So you can play with this, or you can make it as a costumes. And so stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe to S19 Creations. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.